Hey girl, welcome back. If you are new, I'm Jasmine. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Today we're trying the new Fenty red lipsticks that recently launched. I believe they came out the first week of January and just in time for Valentine's Day. So even if you're just taking yourself on a date, I definitely wanted to try these out because I love all things Fenty. I did want to try the colors. I believe there were 2 red shades in the original collection, but they came out with 3 new reds. So let's get into them. So this is the packaging for the lipstick case and it just says red edition on top, but it's a nice red and black packaging. This is what it looks like. So pretty. Oh my goodness. I think this is definitely the prettiest packaging ever. Look how nice this is. Wow. It's given like wow, very luxurious. I only ordered one, but I kind of want to get the other. I kind of want to get some more of these red casings. These are the 3 new colors in the Fenty lipstick. These are all refillable. That's why they come separately from the case. The shade names are Kissin' Cutie, Danger Dancer, and Frequent Flyer. Oh, Frequent Flyer. Danger Dancer is the one I'm most excited to try because I love a nice fiery orangey red. So I'm gonna try that last because I feel like I'm really gonna love it. Frequent Flyer looks more like a magenta red, and then Kissin' Cutie kind of looks like a true red. So we're gonna try the magenta red first. I'm gonna start with Frequent Flyer. I'm gonna also take off what's on my lips. I'm gonna try these all on and then I'll decide which one I'm gonna put in the case, which is gonna be the Lucky Girl. I'm gonna use my baby wipe to take this off. In case you're curious, I'm wearing Charlotte Tilbury lip liner in Pillow Talk Intense 3, and then I'm wearing an e.l.f. lip gloss. Are you excited? Because I definitely am. So this is Frequent Flyer. I'm so excited to try this. Ooh, this reminds me of a lipstick my mom used to have in the 90s. Ooh, this is fire. I didn't think I would like this color, but I like it. I like it. I would be lying if I said that I thought I was gonna love this color, because I really didn't. I thought this was not gonna be my favorite, you know, a little too magenta for me, but honestly, I really love this color. I love this. I think it's such a pretty color. I'm going to remove this one and apply the next shade. I'm also going to do swatches of all 3 on my hands so that way you guys can see them all together. The next shade is called Kissin' Cutie, so we're going to try this one. This one looks to be more like a true red, so let's see what it looks like. I'm excited. Yeah, this is definitely giving like red. So this is Kissin' Cutie, definitely more of a true red. I think it looks really pretty. Are we ready? I like it, but let's try some more. I don't know. Okay, this color is also really pretty. I don't know what to think. Like at first I thought, I don't know about this one, but it's also really pretty. I still like the other one better. I feel like this one I've seen before. I definitely love the color, but I feel like it's not a new color to me. This is what I would whip out if I was looking for a true red color. Like if I wanted a true red, this is what I would pick out. I feel like this color is really nice, and it does red. It's a nice red without being too granny, you know, like that granny red. Like we don't like that. I think it has like a drop of magenta as well, but not as much as the first color, but it still looks really nice. So like I said, I still love the first one more, but I love this as well. I'm gonna actually do swatches on my hand right now so you guys can start seeing what those look like. So this is Kissin' Cutie, the one that I have on my lips. In the middle of my hand is Frequent Flyer, so you can kind of tell they're a little different, but kind of like the same, a very similar undertone, I would say, but definitely one is deeper than the other and a little bit more magenta than the other, but I think they're both really nice colors. Right, time to take this off. Yeah, it definitely has magenta. When I wipe it, I can see the like magenta tone that it has. I don't know if you guys can see, but I can definitely tell On here it has like a little bit of like a purple mixed in, similar to the other shade, but just not as deep, I guess, like more red. I am most excited about this next shade. Like I said earlier, I just am really into these orangey reds, and I don't think she had a color like this in her first launch. I've always been a huge fan of orangey reds, so I'm excited to see what this one looks like. All right, y'all, so this is the color. It looks really nice already. I really hope this looks how I think it's gonna look. I'm really excited. Let's try this on. Okay, I think this is it. This is a red lip, y'all. Girl, this is a red lip. All right, like I love this color. It looks so good. It's fiery, it's spicy, it's like blazing red. It's even more than I thought it would be. Like I didn't realize like how bold it was, but it's super bold. I personally would wear lip liner with this color. I think it's so pretty. I'm gonna show you guys next to the other shades what it looks like. I did a little swatch so you guys can see. This is it here. You could definitely see how it is more orange on my hand compared to the other two. Ooh, this is a nice spicy red. I love all three shades, to be honest with you guys. Like I felt like I was gonna love this way more than the other two, but if I'm being honest, I don't like that first shade a lot. Like I really do. I love this as well because I always like a nice fiery red, and it's super bold. But on days where I don't want to be so bold but I want to be red, I think that first color is definitely like what I would reach for. I'm gonna need you to vote below and let me know which color you think looks the best. Like put them in order. Let me know which one you like the best, 1, 2, or 3. The competition is between the first and the third shades. Like I love those two the best. Let me know what you guys think down below. I thought this was gonna be an easy win for me, like with this color, but I'm kind of really loving that magenta undertone. If I really had to rate, I would say my top pick would be this shade. So my top pick is gonna go in the bullet case. Second would be frequent flyer. With that being said, hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up, comment down below. It really helps support my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.